Hey guys, last video I spoke about why you should not use this particular Amazon basic case. And by the end of that particular video, I also told you why you should make for this particular video. So let's get the case out of the box and then talk about the stuff.
So this is how I have received the product, and this is the case. Let me get this out from this plastic. Okay, so here it is. It has that camera bump, which is a good thing. On bottom, the shapes look good. Let's just get this out. Okay, so this is how the case looks. Now let's talk about what are my suggestions on this.
So, this particular case actually has that protection which we spoke about in our last video. So, if you have a look over here at this, you can see there is a bump over here for the camera, which is a really good thing. And also for the display, this case goes like a little bit more on that end. So what happens even when you keep your phone like this, which is the camera facing on the top, still you get protection for your display. Like the scratches won't be that much coming up on your phone. So that is a good stuff. Let's say your phone fell down from your hand while doing anything, which is a casual stuff, right? But still this case got you protected. The reason being is very simple. This has that same thick walls on the side, so it works as an airbag for your phone. And I know, because of the UV light and also because of the oil, this type of cases will easily get yellow. But there are some alternatives to it. Those are, you can use the TPU cases or you can go with the hybrid cases as well. I'll suggest you to go with the hybrid one so that this back will be that TPU like one, but the side will be the silicone like one. So with protection, and also it will not get that much yellow on the back side. Yeah, I know on sides you might see that yellowishness, but that is again manageable, right? Because the price that it comes with is really good. I almost bought this case for half the price the previous case that we ordered from Amazon. If you want to know the actual price at this particular moment when you're watching this video, just check the link in the description. You will be redirected to the Amazon page and you can check the actual price. And you know what? With this type of clear cases, you can even add some skins to it so it looks more good. And also, if you're not into skins that much, you can even use it without steel and it will portray your design, most probably for Apple users. So they just want to show their phone, right? So in case if you're using Apple phone, I'll highly recommend you, and I am using this case for like past few months already, and you will see most of them using this. But the main problem is they will not change the case regular. I'll suggest you to at least clean it weekly, like just get a wet cloth, or you can just rinse it under water, or you can switch it after every 3 months, and that will make your case looks good and your phone design also very elegant. So yeah, that was all about for this video. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.